Let's start with a simple math problem. If you invest $500 every month for 30 years and earn an average 10% return, you end up with over $1 million. This chart shows two very different paths for that million-dollar portfolio. On the left is a regular brokerage account, where the government taxes your profits and takes a massive slice of your earnings. On the right, you have that exact same $1 million, but you keep every single penny, zero taxes. That second path is an entirely legal account called a Roth IRA. Your money grows tax-free over the years, and you owe the government absolutely nothing when you withdraw it. To open one, you only need to meet two basic rules. First, you must have earned income from a job or freelance work. Second, you have to earn under the 2025 limits, making under $161,000 as a single person or under $240,000 married. Meeting these requirements gives you access to a legal shield that prevents the government from taxing a single cent of your future investment growth. Think of a Roth IRA like an empty, protective container for your investments. The money you put inside has already been taxed. It's the cash sitting in your checking account. Once it crosses the threshold, it multiplies, completely shielded from the IRS. This operates in exact opposition to a traditional IRA. With a traditional account, you take a tax deduction up front, but you are forced to pay taxes on your withdrawals later, right when you need the money for retirement. Because this tax shield heavily favors the investor, the government strictly limits how much you can put inside. For 2025, you contribute a maximum of $7,000 per year. If you are 50 or older, that cap raises to $8,000. If you are early in your career, you are likely in a lower tax bracket today than you will be at your peak earning years. Paying a low tax rate right now allows you to legally skip paying a high tax rate on your future wealth. To build this account, you have to go through a recognized brokerage platform. Institutions like Fidelity, Vanguard, and Charles Schwab provide the infrastructure to host it. If you are a complete beginner, start with Fidelity. They charge zero account fees, require zero minimum deposits, and have a highly intuitive app. You can set this up online in less than 10 minutes. You just navigate to the homepage, click Open an Account, and select the Roth IRA option to create the shell. Once your account is active, you link your bank and transfer cash over. But this is exactly where many people make a critical error. Moving cash into the account is not the same thing as investing it. Right now, you've only built the box and put cash inside it. Without the next operational step, that money will sit dormant and generate zero wealth. This is known as the cash trap. Beginners deposit their money and mistakenly assume the brokerage automatically invests it for them. Left alone in cash, inflation slowly degrades its value. Your capital has to be manually deployed. For most beginners, the simplest solution is purchasing broad index funds that track the 500 largest U.S. companies. Two incredibly cheap, reliable options are Fidelity's FXAIX or Vanguard's VOO. To buy them, you log back into your dashboard, locate the search bar, and type in the specific ticker symbol, like FXAIX. That brings up the fund's profile page. From there, you locate the Buy or Trade button, enter the dollar amount of cash you transferred, and submit the order. Submitting this buy order moves your money out of a static cash position and into 500 of the largest companies in the country. This is the moment your savings start generating compounded returns. To maintain this engine, you operate under 4 primary rules. Rule 1 is the deadline. You have until April 15th of the following year to make your contributions, meaning you have until April 15th, 2026 to maximize your 2025 limit. Rule 2 dictates liquidity. The bottom section is your initial contributions. You can withdraw these anytime, penalty-free. Rule 3 protects growth. The top section is your earnings. To withdraw profits tax-free, you must be 59.5 and the account open 5 years. Rule 4 provides total control. Unlike traditional retirement vehicles, a Roth IRA has no required minimum distributions. The IRS never forces you to withdraw your money, allowing it to grow tax-free indefinitely. These rules provide a level of liquidity not found in most other retirement plans. You keep access to your principal for emergencies, while your profit stays protected from taxes. The entire process takes 4 clear steps. Verify your income is under the limit, open the shell account, fund it with cash, and execute the purchase of a broad index fund. Remember, you only get $7,000 of space each year to do this, and you cannot go back and fill previous years once the deadline passes. The mathematical advantage we looked at requires time to work. The true leverage of tax-free growth appears in the later decades, when your earnings outpace your initial deposits. Every year you hesitate permanently deletes a year of tax-free compounding from your future. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now.